Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the white-headed duck in Heartopia. It is a very common bird, so it was very easy to find. You need to be level 9 of the bird watching hobby, and the weather needs to be either raining or when there is a rainbow, and it spawns all day. It is located in the Onsen Mountain Lake area. There are two of the lakes, but I found mine in the circle one. I'm pretty sure you can find it in the other lake though. And this is what it looks like. It has a white head and a blue beak. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.